What sleep tips help teenage athletes perform better? Imagine waking up feeling energized, ready to crush your training, and perform at your best. That's what good sleep can do for teenage athletes. Sleep is not just about feeling rested. It's about helping your body recover, grow stronger, and sharpen your mind. Teenagers need between 8 and 10 hours of sleep each night to support their physical recovery, mental focus, and overall athletic performance. When you sleep well, your muscles repair faster, your immune system stays strong, and your reaction time improves. Plus, good sleep helps you stay motivated and keeps your mood steady, which is super important for sports and daily life. One of the best ways to improve your sleep is to keep a consistent schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps your body's internal clock stay on track. Even on weekends, try to stick to your usual sleep times. This makes falling asleep easier and helps you wake up feeling refreshed. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is also key. Sleep in a room that's cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains to block out light and consider a white noise machine to drown out background sounds. These small changes can make a big difference in how well you sleep. Limit screen time before bed because the blue light from phones and tablets can stop your body from producing melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Turn off screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead, do relaxing activities like reading a book or doing puzzles. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and intense exercise close to bedtime. Eating large meals or drinking caffeine late can keep you awake. Also, finish vigorous workouts at least 1 to 2 hours before bed so your body has time to wind down. Relaxing activities before sleep, like listening to calming music or practicing deep breathing, can help your mind and body prepare for rest. If you travel across time zones for competitions, plan your sleep schedule gradually before your trip. Use eye masks and noise-canceling headphones to block out distractions and help your body adjust. Deep sleep, which makes up about 25% of your total sleep time, is especially important because it helps muscles recover and releases growth hormone. Short naps during the day, lasting 20 to 90 minutes, can give you a quick boost, but they shouldn't replace a full night's sleep. Following these tips can help you improve reaction time, accuracy, mood, and recovery. Remember, sleep is just as important as training and eating well. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll notice better performance and feeling more energized every day.